People, welcome back to YaadAndAbroadTV. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, like, comment, share, and subscribe. As I said, if you're not familiar with this channel, we talk about issues in Jamaica, the Caribbean, and the whole world, people. Wagwan people, wagwan, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for tuning in as usual. And this is some Jamaican news, people, alright? Because a lot of times I do these videos and some people don't know if I'm doing a Trini news or if I'm doing a Jamaican news, you see me? But this news is actually coming out of Jamaica. And if you're new to my channel, people, I have been doing news stories in Jamaica and Trinidad. I'm gonna start doing basically the whole Caribbean, isn't me? Or majority of the Caribbean. So if you're new, please hit the subscribe button, comment, like, share, do all of that good stuff. Alright, people, because I truly appreciate each and every one of you for commenting and subscribing to my channel. So people, this news, as I said, is coming from Jamaica, where a St. James taxi operator arrested for allegedly robbing his friend. You hear that, people? A taxi operator robbed his own friend. He goes on to say 29-year-old Dean Douglas, otherwise called Esco, a taxi operator of Lilliput, St. James, has been arrested and charged after he allegedly robbed his friend at gunpoint while they were traveling together in Iron Shore, Montego Bay in the parish last year. Douglas was yesterday charged with robbery and aggravation, shooting with intent, illegal possession of firearm, and burglary and larceny. The police said on November 24, 2020, about 6:30 p.m., the complainant and his friend Douglas went to look at a dog for sale. While traveling along the roadway, Douglas made a stop to urinate. He reportedly exited the vehicle and went to the back. The complainant was sitting in the front when he heard the trunk being opened and then saw an armed masked man pointing a firearm at him. The police said the armed man told him to empty his pockets and throw everything on the ground, to which he complied. He was then told to step into bushes, which he did, and reportedly ran off in a bid to escape. The complainant said while he was running, he heard a loud explosion sounding like gunshot. He, however, managed to escape unharmed. The police said he reported the matter to the police and was taken home. But on his arrival, he discovered that his 32-inch TV, 55-inch TV, a black iPhone X, Max Pro, and a cash, all valued at 433,000 Jamaican dollars, were stolen. People, that was his friend. That was his friend, people. And you see what him do? You see what he did with friends like these who need enemies. With friends like these, people who need enemies. Oh my God. This is a prime example of why I don't trust people sometimes, you know. This one person said Jamaica have too much crime now. Every time you look, you see something put up. Killing Jamaica. Jesus Christ. Look like there is a curse in Jamaica. The churches need to come out and march, and the people of Jamaica need to let them hear their cry for peace and to stop the crimes. This is your country. Let your voice be heard. Take back your beautiful island. Do something about it, everyone. From the politician to the church and every business person and the people of Jamaica. Jamaica is such a beautiful island. So many intelligent, hardworking people. We have the best talent people in the world. We can do so many different things. We can make anything. We can sing anything. My people, please, please stop the crimes. You are giving my country so much bad remarks. And that goes for every Caribbean island, people. So much talent in every Caribbean island out there. Why we let these criminals, these demons take over our beautiful islands, people, eh? But there is so much that we as each individual can do, but we are stronger together. Just know that we are stronger together. But you know, people, sometimes I just have to watch the friends that you keep. Cause look at this man, almost lose him life. Almost lose him life, people. Crazy, crazy story.